In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Brutus outfit. The outfit replaces Ang EZO outfit. Download the mod. Once download done, select the folder icon and right click on the drawer and select pin drawer and select open within drawer. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before dropping this file, you need to back up. Once you find the same file in the web game folder, you need to drag and drop to desktop to take backup and drag and drop the mod file inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select the M key and go to inventory. Select the dress, scroll down, and this outfit EZO, this is the one it replaces. Select the outfit. The mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.